Hey, it's Sean from P2R, and today I wanted to cover one of our newest products, our adjustable cam gears for the J-Series engines, and some of the various parts that go with it. All right, so as mentioned, one of the newest things that we've been working on for quite a long time is our adjustable cam gears for the J-Series. What makes these cam gears so unique and what's actually made them so complicated for releasing is that all the different J-Series have different trigger points for the different cam position sensors that the different J-Series have. So we had to make 5 different gears to cover pretty much the whole platform from first generation engines all the way to the second generation engines. These are still the prototype cam gears, so you're not going to see any laser markings or anything like that on them. But we cover like this, for example, we got 2 mediums, 1 long, and 2 smalls. That's going to be like your J35Y, J35Z engines. That's going to be for the front cylinder head. We also have the rear. These are made from 7075 aluminum, and the center section, so that the cam position sensor can read, is actually going to be steel. And we black oxide coated them so that they can look good with the silver and black theme. Some of the parts you guys have already known for a long time that we've always been the see-through timing belt covers that we do for the various J-Series engines. As you can see, it's going to look really cool with our different look of our different adjustable cam gears. That looks really nice. We've been working on our billet backing plates for the cam gears. These are nice. We got timing marks marked up on them. We have the different various engine codes lasered on them so you know what engines they're for and what they fit. Something cool we recently got from the gasket place website is we had them to make us different timing cover seals. So for example, now we have them in various colors. We got black, we got red. So if you wanted to kind of mix and match with your look, you can put a black cover with a red seal, or any combo you're really looking for. The inspection cover grommet hole, we got those in black, and we also got them in red. So that's really nice. The billet backing plates, we do black, red, and silver. And then of course, we got the titanium hardware that goes on the timing covers. As you've seen in a lot of our other engine builds, we use these timing cover bolts on all of our builds here. Really nice looking now. We got gold, we got black, silver, and then we have what we call neochrome. Whatever color scheme you're trying to look for in your engine, we're going to be able to have you covered. Just keep your eye out, as the cam gears will be released on the website really soon as we finish our last set of testing. All right, as usual, if you got any questions and want to know any more about this product, please feel free to reach out on our website, powerrevracing.com, or any of our social media platforms, Power Rev Racing. I'll see you guys again in the next video. And please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you can be notified every time we drop a new video.